Lamborghini Huracan with a very unusual iridescent color. It could be blue, it could be green, depending on the sun. The interior has a little purple accent stripe, and the same in the leather seats with the purple. There's the same Lamborghini Huracan in orange. Here's the Lamborghini in green. Very colorful. Nice little roof scoop. The engine is hidden behind these slits. And then you get a whale tail. Spoiler. In case your Lamborghini decides to take off. Here's the same thing in yellow. All sorts of funny headlights and a very loud engine. It's going to hit all those people in front. Make way for the noise. Here goes the blue one. Another Lamborghini. I guess they're all leaving early. It's a carbon fiber car with also iridescent. It's purple for the most part, but then if the sun shines on it, it becomes gold. Because they don't want you working on the engine, that's for sure. Now it's purple. How about a Rolls-Royce Wraith hot rod? Unusual wheels. Another customized